24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Accept others the way they are. You cannot change other people. To try to change them to fit what you want them to be is like trying to change a dog into a cat into a horse. They are what they are, and you are what you are. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 276, Nasdaq's up 31, S&P's down 13, gold contract flat, 18.13.90 an ounce. We have silver down 13 cents, $25.45 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 257, $67.99 a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year down 5 ticks, trading 134.26. The 30-year up 8 at 166.08, and King Dollar. King Dollar's up 186 ticks, trading at 92.267. Euro 118. Yen at 109.47. The British pound's at 138 to 1 the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, you're laying at the highs. You get a contraction of volume that is pretty amazing, actually. But bottom line, I suspect, first off, we're going to probably bang this high out. We're at 439.74. You got the 440.40. The high is 441.80. The closing high, let's just see this, 441.02. Yeah, we're not going to make it there either. Not today. That's the bottom line. NDX 100, we take a look at the 3Qs. Same type of setup inside the 3Qs. You're at highs. 3Qs have 24 million shares traded. The high in the 3Qs is 368.89. We've hit 368.32. That baby is going to get into that number, and a real question what the Qs are going to be, does it blow that number away? When you look at the NDX 100, what you're going to see out here today, the firepower inside it is Moderna is up 9%. That's up $35, trading at $421. You got Zoom up 6.5%. Trading at $3.99. You got AMD up 5.5% at $118, and you got CGen up 4%, trading at $164. So they're all big numbers out here. Gold contract. We had some good movement in gold out here this morning, and I gave it up in spades. GCZ we need that December contract. Here we go. Okay, so the December contract out here today got to 18.35. You're trading at 18.13. You got as low as 18.08. Now, you had 232,000 contracts traded, folks, and you're going into 208,000 contracts. Bottom line is that when you go higher into a swing with volume, most times, number one, you're going to be back up there, but more than likely, you're going to break the swing. So this is pretty cool watching this whole thing shake out. Gave it up in spades. There's no doubt about that, man. I mean, we went down fast and furious at 10 o'clock. And bottom line, started on a slow and then just went south in a big way. Notes and bonds. We take a look at the note and bond market. Same type of setup. You had a reversal inside the note and bond market out here today also. What you did, you got same thing, though. You're going to have volume in it, man. This is pretty cool. You did 1.6 million contracts out here. And the 10-year, now the 10-year was going into 2.1. Well, that's interesting. You get a pullback there then. Bottom line, you still were at higher price. Right now, we have the 10-year is yielding out at 1.17. And good old King Dollar. What you had with King Dollar out here is a rejected lower price. Bottom line, we don't have volume inside King Dollar, but we got down to 91.817, and then also at 10 o'clock, 10:07, baby took off topside. We're at up 183 ticks. You're trading out here at at 92.265. And we got to go look at Moderna here for a second. Someone's just going to see how this is shaking out. So Moderna right now, yeah, it's too funny, Jeff. That's pulling back hard. You're up $40, man. You're up $30 now. I get it. Okay. Bottom line is that Moderna, yeah, is on a run in a big way. There's no doubt. Yes, and it's down $13, well, $15 from the high. I can see that. That being said, I'd be careful about shorting this just yet. And this is, there's no doubt, okay, this equity here is parabolic. It's higher in a dramatic way. They come out with numbers August 5th, so they're going to be coming out with numbers before the market tomorrow morning. Now, listen to these numbers, though. This is like an insane number. They did 1.9 billion last quarter. They're looking to take in 4.3 billion. And everything's going to the bottom line. I mean, this company is pretty intense, man. I mean, there's no doubt about that. I mean, in an extraordinary way. We look at some of the higher volume equities out here today. Advanced Micro is the big one. Oh, Robinhood. You got to look at Robinhood. Robinhood, the band of merry Robin Hooders, no doubt, basically got this baby going. This went up to $85 today. You're trading at 69, and the king of the memes is going to be a meme stock itself. That's the bottom line. And what that's all about, folks, okay, that is not about the short position in it, because you don't really understand. Well, we really don't know what the short position is. What it is, if you happen to be taking a look at the Bloomberg that I have up right now, that what you want to look at is shares in the float. The float right there. See that right there? There's only 7% of the amount of equities that are actually tradable. That's what's going on there. So this isn't a short squeeze. There's 55 million shares that are tradable, and it's already done 156 million shares. So that's what this is. As our man, Mr. Dave White, would say, this was a sliver. They pulled out a sliver. The thing that's pretty amazing, and that is by design, no doubt, but the problem is that a lot of people don't know that deal of how that works. Bottom line, a sliver deal in an extraordinary way. What you also have there is the bottom line. It doesn't take much to get on the baby and then run it. And I suspect what you're also going to have is that the folks over on Reddit are going to really start understanding, too, about what sliver deals are and just how fast you can actually run something up when there's not enough shares to be traded. It doesn't take much. Dow Industrials right now down 296. You get the NASDAQ up 21. S&P's down 15. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.
Are you looking for a